Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Wave MTF indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Here we go. Alright, so basically this indicator is an indicator that shows you real-time alerts and of course signals across different time frames. All right, so let us go to the settings. Let's go to the input settings of the indicator to see what we have there. Okay, so as we can see, the options um, uh, you can edit these options according to your taste, right? If you want email alerts, you can change this to yes, notification yes or no. And if you want the trading info to be displayed, you can also do that, and you can change the colors also as well. Now we can see that the information being displayed on the dashboard includes your broker, your account name, account number, the trade mode, leverage, balance, equity, indicator name, currency pair, the spread, and so on and so forth. All right, so this indicator can be useful for traders, both beginners and experienced traders, right? So now you can see that these colors that are being displayed here, even if you change time frame, they remain constant, right? Because the colors that are being displayed are uh, they are showing multi-time frame trend, right? They are showing multi-time frame trend. So across different time frames, the signal being given remain constant. Now let's just check a couple of them. So if this should represent M1, so we are being bullish on the 1 minute time frame. We are being bullish on the 5 minutes. We are being bearish on the 15 minutes. We are being bullish on the 30 minutes. We are being bullish on the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be the sixth. So we're also being bullish on the 4 hours, bearish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, bearish on the monthly, and then this is probably not representing any particular time frame. All right, so as you can see, the dashboard here also shows you indicator signal and suggested, right? So if you have any recommendation or suggestion from this, you can also look out for confirmations in line with that suggestion before executing your trade. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.